Hey everybody, just wanted to shoot a short little video, let you know what I've been up against lately. On one of our most recent trips, we came home to find that we had splatter here on the hood and up above the window, and for the life of me, I cannot get it off. I've tried regular soap and water, I've tried a little bit of gasoline, WD-40, olive oil, acetone, and so far nothing has been effective in removing these marks. So what I'm going to try to do today is a little bit of lacquer thinner. It's been recommended to me by a couple of friends of mine who are in the business. So I'm going to bring you along and we'll see how it goes. Obviously, I want to be very controlled in how I apply this lacquer thinner to my paint job, so I'm just going to use some Q-tips and wet the end and apply it like that. Whatever this stuff is, you can tell that the lacquer thinner is picking it up. It's lightening it up at least. May not be getting 100% of it, but I would say a solid 85–90%. This is lacquer thinner, so you're going to make sure that you don't let it sit on your paint for too long without wiping it down with some soapy water. Now to address the obvious question that I'm sure everyone is asking. Won't lacquer thinner mess up my paint job? And that was a concern of mine as well. And you can tell that it is removing a little bit of the wax. You can kind of see if I catch that glare just right. So you're obviously going to want to hit this with a wax job as soon as you get whatever it is that is on your paint lifted off with the lacquer thinner, just as soon as possible. So it seems to be working fine on some spots, but certainly not every spot. Again, I have no idea what this is on the hood, but you can see that even the lacquer thinner is having trouble getting every spot out, and certainly it's not getting it 100%. So just a quick shout out to my friends Ethan and Lanny for suggesting lacquer thinner. Thanks for the advice. Alright, like I said, I just wanted to keep this video kind of short, help somebody else that might be facing some problems with splatter. It has helped on some spots, and on other spots it has lightened it up a little bit at least. I'm not going to bore you with showing you every spot. I literally probably have 100 different little marks of varying sizes that I need to address, but I did want to show you that lacquer thinner will work as an option, as kind of a maybe last resort. If you have any comments and you want to help me out with any other suggestions, drop me a comment below. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.